you can expect a lot from the 2016 Ford F-150. With fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this truck refuses to compromise. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, and much more. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.